Our clients hire millions of people across a wide range of industries. Their first step is to put in an order through an integration or directly through Sterling Client Hub. The candidate then receives a request for additional information needed for Sterling to conduct the screening. This information is all entered into Sterling Candidate Hub. Sterling gets to work. Every client has different requirements for what needs to be completed. In this case, Sterling needs to verify identity, search criminal records, confirm employment and education credentials, and coordinate drug testing. Our multi-tiered identity solution automatically confirms that the SIM card in the mobile device matches the personal information of the candidate, then digitally verifies that the ID documents are official and match the selfie taken by the candidate. If needed, we also match Social Security information to credit bureau data. As a final step, if all else fails, a video call confirms the candidate's identity. Identity verified. On to criminal records search. First, Sterling determines where to search to locate a candidate's possible criminal records and under what potential names, using a Social Security number trace to determine the addresses where a candidate has lived and what aliases the candidate may have used. Then, we conduct a search of a national criminal record database and an incarceration and bookings database. Next, we leverage our Court Direct technology to search and review each primary source jurisdiction and review the records for completeness. Where needed, we send court runners to confirm records. Once the data is gathered, we utilize our AI Smart Data technology to determine whether candidate data matches the court records, filter the records per compliance requirements, and apply specific client-instructed adjudication rules. Criminal search complete. 90% of our criminal screens are completed in 1 day or less. Sterling has built an approach to conduct education and employment verification with the best combination of speed and cost for the client. We leverage our recently launched proprietary verifications portal used in conjunction with our verifications contact database and Sources API and internal databases to streamline verification outreach. Combining automation and human outreach, Sterling confirms education and employment information provided by the candidate and flags any inaccuracies for the client to review. Credentials verified. Our U.S. drug and health screening services offer comprehensive pre- and post-hire drug screening with access to an expansive collection network of over 15,000 test sites nationwide. Using end-to-end electronic processing, online scheduling, and walk-in collection sites enable employees and candidates to access locations and times that work best for them. Test results delivered. All of this data capture comes back into the consumer report, delivered to the client in a matter of hours or days. The client reviews the results, addresses any discrepancies, and can move forward with hiring. They now know this candidate is cleared to hire. The candidate is hired and off to work. Sterling. People first, always.